Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Walmart gift card how to redeem. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem Walmart gift card, the first method that you can use is redeem online at walmart.com by simply heading over and opening up your browser. Then on the search bar type in walmart.com. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is just simply add items to the cart, and then once added, what you need to do is proceed to checkout. Then once proceed to checkout, on the payment, select gift card option and then enter gift card number on the back of your card, pin or access code by simply scratching the silver strip, and then once that's done, click on apply. Then your order total will update with the gift card balance. And next method that you can use is using the app. So simply head over and open up your Walmart application and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, simply tap on my account on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then inside, select Walmart wallet. Then inside Walmart wallet, select add a gift card. Then simply enter gift card number and PIN or access code. Then once that's done, tap on add, and during checkout, select your Walmart wallet as payment and your gift card will be applied there. You can also redeem in store by simply taking your physical Walmart gift card to the register. Tell the cashier you want to use the gift card. The cashier will scan the barcode or manually enter the number, and your balance will be applied to your purchase. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.